Samsung has finally found their true design identity, which is going to make them stand out compared to the sea of smartphones out there. Starting with Galaxy S23 and S23 Plus design, you can see that Samsung is now bringing the patternless camera bump design to all of their models. Once again, 3-camera sensor on the back, so no periscope lens for the non-Ultra model. Very likely these sensors will be identical to the S22 series. Very likely we're going to see the same camera sensor as the Galaxy S22 series, with a slight change that Samsung might introduce an entirely new ultra-wide-angle lens. As far as the manufacturing is concerned, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 will supposedly be produced by TSMC. Meanwhile, more evidence piles up in favor of the Galaxy S23 Ultra 200-megapixel camera, and device leaks come in all shapes and sizes. Galaxy S23 design leak was pretty massive and might take a while before something even more revealing of Galaxy S23 series pops up online. Galaxy Club have recently confirmed through their sources that the Galaxy S23 Ultra will feature a 200-megapixel primary camera, even though other sensors such as the 10-megapixel 10x optical telephoto camera will retain the same resolution. At first glance you would say this looks exactly like the S22 Ultra, but there are a few minor changes that make the S23 Ultra a little better. First, of the camera module at the back, even though the S23 Ultra retains the same camera cutout, there is a minor difference here. Notably, the depth sensor and laser autofocus module will not produce and will lay flush with the back panel. Secondly, the sides are now a little flatter this time. The Galaxy S23 Ultra will be slightly wider and slimmer than the S22 Ultra, but despite that it will feature the same display size and battery size. A quote from the article on SmartBricks, it says, while the size remains the same, Samsung will bring improvements in terms of peak brightness, color accuracy, low screen reflectance and HDR performance, so expect a better, superior display. Additionally, reliable leaker Ice Universe has also noted that based on these renders we might actually get 4 bezels with equal width, which enhances the design even further, making it more harmonious. So, with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.